What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we'll be doing something different, and for the first time ever in the channel we'll be bringing out Hot Wheels. So starting off with a few premiums for this video. So this is what we have in line for today, and we'll be starting off with the first set that we have. So I got 4 cars out of 5 from the Fast and the Furious set, which came out recently, and we have the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. So this comes with a wing and it comes in blue, and also you can see on the side they have the Jaguar livery. And moving on, we have the Acura NSX in silver, and also we have the all-time favorite 17 Dodge Charger, which is Dom's vehicle. And moving on, we have the 71 Plymouth GTX, and also going from the OGs from another Fast and the Furious set, we have the Ford F-150, the Lightning. And then we have the 87 Grand National GNX. And then moving out of Fast and the Furious, talking about more car cultures, we have the Porsche 959, which is a track edition, a rally version. Moving on to the next, we have another premium, a retro collection which is coming out by Hot Wheels, the premium edition of the Mystery Machine. So talking about the Mystery Machine, we actually Hot Wheels came out with the first mainline edition, and now it's actually rare, and the casting is actually rare, and a lot of people are looking for it. And also with the mainline they released a STH as well. And then moving on to premiums, they had the 50th anniversary edition, and later on they came with this edition in 2020 mid. So we have the Mystery Machine, and we are moving on to the next set, which is another special set because they had the Boulevard collection a bit time ago, like few years back, and then they shift to car culture, and then they did a few car culture series, and then they came back to Boulevard collection again. So we have the Ford GT in grey from the Boulevard collection. And we have another set which is from the same as the Porsche 959 Rally. We have the Land Rover Defender 110 or 1110 hardtop. This is actually the search and rescue vehicle that comes in yellow. Another famous edition which was released this year, actually beginning of this year. And there you go, we just introduced the first set of premiums to our channel, the Hot Wheels premiums, and these are the first set that we got. So this year has been an amazing year for all the Hot Wheel collectors, because a lot of new releases came out, a lot of new expected releases came out, and hopefully even we are planning on getting a few into our channel, such as the Koenigsegg and the AE86 such as. So hope to do a review on those as well. So as always, hope you guys enjoy the video. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And thank you for joining us again with our video, and hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys soon on the next video.